Did you know that Kmart just released some must-have items for August that are taking TikTok by storm? Stay tuned to discover the top trending picks that will elevate your home decor. Plus, I'll show you how to style affordable women's fashion to look chic with new just dropped pieces. These pieces are flying off the shelves, so you won't want to miss out. Today's video was filmed at the Kmart in Moonee Ponds. A special shout out to Bronwyn, one of my lovely and generous channel members who picked this store for me to visit. Each month, one of my members gets to choose a Melbourne Kmart for a shop with me, and this time it was Bronwyn's turn. Great choice! Each day, more and more of these metal fruit bowls are landing. Watch out for the green one, and this colour has just landed. Red is my favourite colour though, and today I feel like shopping. But I really have my eye on the large basket with the timber handles. I have an idea to replace the tray my bread sits on in my pantry to one of these, making it easier, I think, to just lift and wipe off any fallen crumbs. Yeah, and the salad bowl, the wire one, also comes in black. They've really covered every colour, haven't they? I was actually thinking of using this grain dispenser, which is $15. For dog and cat food, because then you just press it in and you don't have to actually put your hand in there and scoop it out. It just comes out by itself. So I think that would be a great storage solution for that dry kibble. Oh, and look, they've got the red wooden handle dish rack as well, so you can buy everything to make it all matchy. I like that. In white, green and red. This is new. Well, I haven't seen it before. It's the compact spot cleaner. Oh, isn't that great if you've got things like couches, fabric couches that you want to clean? Let's see what it says you can use it for. Compact spot cleaner. Perfect if you've got limited space to clean your upholstery. I have to say I love these little mini ovens. They're so adorable. The green one really takes my fancy. And I'm in the market for a new kettle. Ours is starting to leak for some reason from this section here, from the little switch. I don't have this kettle, it's a different one. But I'm thinking it might be a good time to refresh my kettle. So let's have a look what else there is here. The 5-piece bathroom accessory set is here. This is new, the 3-tier trolley. It looks like it's gold. Oh, that is pretty. Especially if you've got limited space in a bathroom or you don't have enough storage, or even if you have a lot of makeup and you need to store it somewhere. But this is great even in the laundry, to store cleaning supplies, or in a toy room to hold books and knickknacks. That's really cute. Oh, actually, can you imagine putting texters and pencils in here? Really clever. And then you can just move it around from room to room, depending on where you want to put it and where you want the kids to play. Oh, this is a clever use of space. The laundry hamper set. And look at this 10-tier metal shoe rack. Perfect to store all your extra shoes. Actually looks quite slim. So it's 38 centimeters deep, 1 meter wide. That would definitely store a good 4 pairs of shoes across. 195 centimeters tall, so that's quite tall. That's convenient. It's only $59. This looks new. Bellwood look side table. I wonder if you can stain this, and then you can actually paint it any color you want, or if you just want a bit of a neutral, a natural tone to add to your decor, then this might fit the bill. It's actually very minimalist. I like it. They've got the whole range. They've got the plinth in the Bellwood look too. The hall table. There's the Marley lounge chair. This is a new release. It looks nice and deep. So you can actually curl up in this chair and be really comfortable. 82 centimeters deep. There's still some great deals in store. Look at this denim shacket for $13. Now, in Melbourne, we still need heavyweight clothes, so this is a bargain. I love the look of these wind cheaters. They look so cozy. French Riviera. Oh, this is pretty. I love wearing a wind cheater over a shirt and jeans. It just seems to elevate the look of just a wind cheater and tracksuit pants, and yet you're still cozy and warm, and I like this color. I find that beige is so much more than just a boring color. It's like black. You sort of can wear it with any color, and it just gives a beautiful, elegant look, I think, to an outfit. It's something that I don't find black can do all the time. I find that where black can drain a colour and just make it less bright, beige is more neutral but makes any colour next to it sing. There are just so many jumpers in this store. I really like the look of this green one, but they've only got 3 and they're all 6 to 8. It must have been a really popular colour. I'm looking, but I can't find it any other size. I think the size 6'8" is fine. Maybe a little bit snug here around the arms. But maybe over a white t-shirt. And also the jumper that I'm wearing underneath is quite bulky. I wonder if it will do. I like the green. This is a nice brown. Let's have a look. In 14 to 16. That's a beautiful colour. It really is. And they're $18. There are just so many jumpers in this store. I am in a shopping mood and I'm contemplating whether this pink should also come home with me. I think I might just try it on in the fitting room just to see what it looks like. I think it might be a little bit too pale for my skin tone. Oh, but this feels so soft and cozy too. Just look at all the colour selection of these jumpers. Oh, ooh, there's a green one hiding here. What size? Oh, another 6'8". This Kmart is very well stocked. Oh, I like this colour. That's a nice shirt. It's the resort shirt. Pop stripe. Very pretty. Blazers are out. That's a nice blazer. It's got the ruched sleeves, so it looks like it's already raised. Wow, $38 for a fully lined blazer. Today's the day where I'm going to be trying lots of clothes on. I love the look of the vests. I'm so happy that they're coming back in. There's all different styles and types. Let me get that one. That's the fitted vest, white true knit. The buttons are so adorable. Then there's a plain cotton one in white. The fitted vest, white seasonal, contains a minimum of 70% lensing Eco Vero. And then there's a more casual one in this lovely butter lemon colour, which I think suits really tanned skins. But on me, it just makes me look washed out. Oh, what's that hiding behind here? Let's have a look. Oh, these are pretty tops. It's the mock neck top, true knit seasonal top. I like the contrasting trim. It's really pretty. $18. It feels nice and warm too. And I like the fact that the neck is not too high and it's loose enough that it doesn't choke you. And if they've got a size 16, yes they do. Oh, look how cute this would look underneath the blazer. If you work in an office. Very pretty. I'll show it on. And look at this beautiful pop of colour. I love that. So pretty. $18. It also comes in this beautiful, what do they call it? Taupe colour. It also comes in black. I like the cuffs. Oh, I like these jeans. The pleat front jeans in indigo. Nice and wide. The side pockets. Oh, I like these jeans. The pleat front jeans in indigo. Nice and wide. The side pockets. There's a size 16 here. I can't find my size anywhere. These cardigans are gorgeous. They're only $18. They come in 4 colours. Cream, burgundy, grey and black. And around the corner I see more colours. This beautiful cornflower blue. Oh, how pretty is that? Taupe brown, soft pink. And hiding back here, oh, a beautiful pale blue, blue skyway. How gorgeous. This colour is calling me. Cornflower blue. You really can't go wrong with a white linen shirt. This one is a creamy white. And then there's a true white. And that's the Oxford shirt in white. And it's got curved sides, which lends itself perfectly to being tucked in. Do a front tuck like that. which is the way I like to style my shirts. This dress is so pretty. It's a sheer midi boho floral dress. How adorable are these sleeves? Now, I really want to buy this book just to compare it to the one that my family gave me for Mother's Day. I feel like it's the same one. It feels like the same one too. Don't pay more than $30 for this book. Oh, Ottolenghi Simple. Let's have a look at his book. I love his recipes. Oh, that look nice. Grilled beef tomatoes with chili, garlic, and ginger. Oh, yum. Where's the beef in it? I like this. Okay, it's going to have to go on my shopping list for Christmas. And then look at this. Contemporary Italy, Italian cooking. I wonder if there's one already open. As luck would have it, the top one was open. Oh.
Shopping at low prices is fun, but please remember to keep trolley safety top of mind. Never leave children unattended in trolleys.
Look at that wall of candles. Surely there is a cinnamon scent. I'm just going to go right across and see. Maybe salted caramel. No, not the scent I'm looking for. This one here is beautiful. I love the color. Actually, it's a beautiful scent. And I love the color. These are so pretty. Not as scented, that one. I think my favorite one is cardamom coconut cassia. That one there. I need a new candle and I need something that's got a nice rich scent, like cinnamon. So bergamot and rose might do as well. No, not quite. Not quite the scent I'm looking for. That was caramel, tonka bean and caramel finished with a twist of orange and apple. These candles are huge. Nope, not that one either. But that smells lovely. And wood sage. That's nice too. And there's the matching reed diffuser. Look at all these cushions. So well packed. Oh, I like this one. I haven't seen this one before. It's the tufted lumbar support. No, checkboard cushion. $10, maybe that one. A little $10. But this is new. I haven't seen this before. Oh, what about this one here? More of a caramelly colour. I like the back of it. I like that colour. It's not coming out pure. I might have to make it warmer. It's actually more like a caramel colour. Okay, I found the 3-piece dusting telescopic set that I haven't been able to find in other stores. Here it is for $8. Okay, I need that. How cute are these bath mats? Oh, I like these. They're the memory foam bath mat in green, and they come in beige too. Oh, that is cute. Really cute. And they are... can't find the price, but I'll put it on the screen. I've had my eye on these shoes for a little while. You really can't go wrong for $25. I mean, I get tired of my shoes so quickly. And something like this that's so trendy, I probably wouldn't wear it more than a few times. So it's worth buying it for $25. Let me try it on first. I am a size 8. Only thing is, it's rubbing here. I think it's going to give me a blister right there. I can feel it rough. I suppose I could put a band. All right, I think I might think about it. Okay, you can tell that I'm not used to walking around the toy section because I think I'm walking around aimlessly trying to find the puzzle section. Craft, board games. Found it. I really enjoyed doing the puzzle at Christmas with the family. It was really fun. And I heard that it's really good to stimulate your brain. So I'm looking for something a little bit more grown up that I can put on a coffee table and we can do, Kevin and I, at night for a little while instead of watching TV. But there's nothing quite right. Lavish London, 500 pieces, Fairy Tale, Jurassic Park, Santorini, Mykonos. Got all the Disney ones. Okay, no luck today. Let's see if there's any other games. Can you suggest some games that Kevin and I can play instead of watching TV on our coffee table? Something a little bit different. Something that will keep our brain active. There's loads of new silk scarves at Kmart. I like this one here with a pink, green and beige. More of a brown one, olive toned. Wow, so many choices and options. This is a nice blue one too. Do these earrings remind you of a fancier label? They come in gold and in silver for $4. They've got a matching bracelet to go with it, $5. And what about these? Oh, look, the white ones are on reduced for $2.50. And they also come in black. Don't they remind you of fancier labels? Look at that. Clover in black and red for $4. Love this jacket, this cardigan. I love the buttons. Aren't they just so pretty? And you can really dress it up or dress it down. I think this looks quite chic. Over wide barrel pants and a bit of a block heel. If you work in a casual office, this is quite doable. You can always put a scarf here to sort of hide a little bit of the cleavage or just throw it over a shirt.